Halo and welcome to channel Bali Jalan-Jalan atau selamat datang di channel Bali Jalan-Jalan teman-teman semua. Dan buat teman-teman yang sudah biasa nonton channel ini, for those of you who already been watching this channel, thank you so much. And for those who new, welcome to Bali Jalan-Jalan channel. This channel is about giving you the latest update about tourist attraction and tourist destination in Bali. Jadi channel ini membahas tentang tempat-tempat yang direkomendasikan untuk dikunjungi di Bali. Atau teman-teman yang liburan ke Bali, silahkan ikuti channel ini. For those who really need the information, you are welcome to subscribe. Nah, jadi teman-teman semua, tempat ini biasa dinamakan Tegenungan Waterfall. Jadi tempat ini tidak terlalu jauh dari Ubud ya, dari pusat kota Ubud ataupun Goa Gajah. This place is known as Tegenungan Waterfall and it's not very far from the center of Ubud or Goa Gajah. Perhaps you might been there. Jadi tempat ini sangat indah dan cantik sekali, and this place is very recommended to be visited during your stay in Bali. Jadi teman-teman semua, kurang lebih seperti ini ya jalan yang harus kita lewati sebelum sampai di tempat tujuan. Or this is pretty much the way that we have to go through before we get into the spot. It's a bit slippery, just be careful. Ya, jadi teman-teman kalau memang mau ke spotnya banget atau mau ke depan air terjunnya, kira-kira harus melewati jalan seperti ini ya. And for those who really want to come very close to the waterfall, so you might need to be careful with these bamboo steps that they provide here. It's a bit challenging, but for those who are really young, should be no problem. Nah, ini adalah momen ketika saya tepat berada di depan air terjun ya. Jadi saya bisa merasakan, I can feel the water come straight into my face, the flash of the water. I mean, wow, it feels great to be here. And also to feel the nature all around. It's very nice, and lots of people love to sit here for a while, enjoying the view and the panorama. And also hearing the sound of the waterfall is I don't know, relaxing for me. Jadi teman-teman silahkan kalau datang ke sini bisa duduk-duduk santai dulu di sini ya, sambil menikmati suasananya. Jadi sangat segar dan menyejukkan sekali. Well, that is pretty much all about Tegenungan Waterfall. Jadi kurang lebih situasinya seperti itu di sini teman-teman ya. And actually, well, this is something unique. They stack the stone like this. It's something unique. Maybe they glue it. I don't know. Maybe not. But not everyone can do this. But this is interesting for me. Well, this place is quite recommended for you to be visited. Actually, Bali has lots to offer in terms of waterfall. There are quite, few selection or destination that you might like. But considering this place is not very far from the center of the city, not very far from Kuta, not very far from the Nusa Dua either, it's perhaps one of their recommendation. But if you are really enjoying to take a long tour, also we have Kit Waterfall, and one day or maybe in the near future I will make the video about the place. But for now, untuk sekarang, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.